We here at the Long Island Children's Museum are looking forward to welcoming back our visitors soon. My name is Sarah, and to help you get ready for your next visit, I'm here to share some tips and tricks to help your children feel safe and secure in their face masks. Homemaking masks is an excellent way to get kids interested in face masks and to help them feel like they have control over the situation. You can provide them with a bunch of different fabrics from around your house, including old t-shirts, bandanas, and pillowcases to choose from. This NoSew Mask option is an easy one to DIY and try at home. All you'll need is some fabric and 2 hair ties. You'll start by folding the fabric in half, and then you'll fold it again, bringing the top down to the middle and the bottom up to the middle to meet that top fabric. Then you'll slide on your hair ties about 1/3 of the way onto the mask from either end, and the hair ties will act as your ear straps. Lastly, you'll fold over the fabric on the outside of the hair ties inward to meet one another, and then you can tuck these fabric edges into each other. For this project, I used a 20-inch by 20-inch square. You can also use a 12 by 12 or something smaller as needed for a child's face. Here at LICM, we value play as an integral part of learning, so I'd like to show you some quick and easy games to help kids feel comfortable and get used to seeing their family, friends, and even strangers wearing masks. For our youngest visitors, you can play simple games like peekaboo to help them get comfortable and used to seeing people wearing them and being around them. For older children, challenging them to games like the quiet game, but with their mask, seeing how long they can wear it and how long they can go without touching it, encourage proper mask wearing techniques. Face masks can also be incorporated into pretend play, and dress-up style discussions can help encourage kids to ask questions and think about why they wear masks. Children can practice being superheroes or doctors themselves by putting their masks on, washing their hands, and even putting masks onto their favorite stuffed animals and plush toys. Playing games with masks with children helps them to get comfortable with their masks, and it also gives them the opportunity to ask any questions that they might have. Try using simple language to answer those questions and explain why we need to wear our masks. Using language like, "We wear our masks to keep other people safe from our germs, and other people wear their masks to keep us safe from their germs." You can also remind kids that it's a rule to wear the mask when you leave the house right now, just like wearing clothes and shoes. Finally, practice makes perfect. Giving kids the opportunity to, and encouraging them to wear their masks while they're at home or in other low-risk areas helps them practice proper mask-wearing techniques. Encouraging them to wash their hands before they put on their mask and before they take it off, as well as to not touch it for the whole time that it's on, and practicing these techniques at home help to ensure that your children will stay safe and secure. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you soon.